Good morning. It is Saturday and we are going to, we're gonna actually do photos with Santa this year. So we didn't get to do them last year because the restrictions were a little bit higher, but this year we booked an appointment. So it is not drop-in. You actually have to book an appointment online, and I've never bought myself Santa photos, and I had no idea they were so pricey. I mean, relative to, you know, what you get, which is usually a screaming picture of a child with Santa. But I don't remember which package we got, but it was something like $50 for a couple of photos and also the digital download. And yeah, I think the minimum package price was, I think, $19.99, which I think is so crazy, especially considering usually you just have your phone with you anyway and then they take a picture with that. Anyway, we're doing that at like 10:15. It's one of the earlier appointments. I think the mall opens at 9:30, so it shouldn't be too busy. I'm just debating whether or not we're all gonna wear matching PJs or if we're just gonna wear our regular clothes. I haven't decided yet. I guess it kind of depends on whether or not we feel like hanging out at the mall in our PJs. So that is like our big plan today. Other than that, I'm going to try to film my MacBook review while Chloe naps later and just like tidy up a little. My goal is to have this clear by the end of the day. Also, you may have noticed that I sound a little bit stuffy. It's because Chloe kindly shared her cold with us. She actually stayed home yesterday from daycare because the night before she came home with a little bit of a sniffly nose and an occasional cough. So she was actually fine Friday morning, and she's actually in good spirits. Like, she's actually not super grumpy or anything. But we just kept her home anyway, just to give her time to rest, and also so that she obviously doesn't get all the other kids sick with her sniffling nose, although she probably got it from another kid. But if you are a parent and you send your child to daycare or even school, you just know it's kind of just this perpetual cycle of sickness until their immune system gets built up. So, and I mean, even now as an adult, I still get sick. Case in point. So yeah, I feel really tired, but overall I'm okay. I have a sniffly nose. I don't have a cough. I did have a little bit of a hard time sleeping last night just because my congestion was really bad. But other than that, I feel okay. What you reading? Monsters? Yeah. Currently having a latte macchiato and yeah, enjoying it in my ember mug. I got a question in one of my previous videos whether I still use the ember mug, and the answer is yes, I still use it. I still love it. I still have two bases, so one I keep downstairs and one I keep upstairs on my desk so that yeah, I can have a full charge every time. I mean, it lasts on its own for about an hour. But sometimes, you know, you don't get to a latte that soon. So, what would you like? Cookie. You want a cookie? We're just getting ready for our Santa shoot, and we have decided to wear our matching pajamas. So these are the pajamas that we got from Costco not too long ago, and I'm just currently getting ready. I'm air wrapping my hair. Show Mama your moose pants. Okay, we are just getting ready. Chloe's just bugging the beau while he uses the bathroom. But yeah, we're heading to the mall. Smile! Smile! No! Look at Chloe, did you have fun meeting Santa? Yeah. We are home. Chloe, hard to tell if Chloe had fun. She was very excited to go, and she kept saying like ho ho ho, but then when she got there, she's very shy when she meets other people, so she was just staring at the camera like so stoic, and it looked like she was actually really upset, but she was just shy. And then there was one photo where I think she tried to smile, but it was either like she felt awkward smiling or they caught the smile at an awkward time and it looked like she was about to cry, but no tears. I think she just was very shy. Anyway, we're home. I'll show you the photos that we got printed, and then part of the package we got was the option for digital access too, so I think we might have more access to some photos digitally. Hello. Were you coloring, Chloe? Look at all the mess of crayons you have. Can you put all the crayons back in the box? Cleanup time. Chloe has finished eating lunch. I haven't had lunch yet. I'm actually not sure what I would like to eat. I did make myself, actually the boom made me a latte. So I'm just gonna finish this, hopefully clear this congestion up, because I was hoping to do my MacBook review today. But I'm not sure how great I will be at enunciating words with a stuffy nose, so we shall see. But I basically have only until 2 o'clock because that's when Chloe gets up for her nap. Okay, so my congestion has cleared up a little bit, so I am going to film. I'm gonna film in our bedroom just because I have some natural light here that I can use, and I feel like it's just far enough away from Chloe's room that she won't hear me. If I film in like my regular setup, I'm always paranoid that she can kind of hear me and then she'll wake up and I'll disturb her nap. So this is far enough away that I don't think I will disturb her even if she can hear me. The only thing is I have to rearrange some things. So I put my monitor and my work laptop and like my keyboard on the floor because I'm going to use the desk space to film. I have to set up my camera in a different way, and I have to tidy this up in case it happens to be in the frame in the background. Okay, so enjoy a quick time lapse of me tidying up this area. On a side note, I wanted to give you guys an update on the lip gloss that I got instead of the bomb.com. So I emailed Glossier and I said, hey, like, was this a mistake or a substitution? And I asked if I was still able to get the bomb.com. Turns out it was a mistake. It was not a substitution, which I figured anyway, but it's always polite to ask just in case. And they said they would send one over, and I also don't have to return this. So yeah, I've always had a really great experience with the customer service at Glossier. I don't know, every time, like, and it's been very random, but every time that I've had to email them for something, my experience has been great. I've never had any issues with receiving any orders. That's why sometimes when I'm on their Instagram page and I see comments on their Instagram page and it's like, it's been, 2 months and I haven't received my order yet. I'm always wondering, like, is that a Glossier issue or like the customer issue? Because like honestly, I've never had any issues, and I've never had any issues in my past Glossier giveaways of the package getting to that person, and that person has been located either all over Canada or somewhere in Canada or somewhere in the United States. I think I also had a winner in one of the other countries that Glossier ships to. I can't remember which one now, but yeah, no issues whatsoever. So yeah, really bizarre. I'll show you a little behind the scenes of how I'm filming this video. So I'm at my desk here, which is normally my work desk when I'm working from home, and I'll show you my little setup, my point of view. Okay, so I have my new laptop here, my old one here. After this video, I'm actually gonna send this off for my trade-in, and then I just have the charging brick and then also the MagSafe adapter or charger in here. Water in case I get thirsty. I do have my iPad here because I have some notes so I can just reference them. I do keep my microphone on its own stand instead of on the camera, and then I have my camera here. Okay, we are just hanging out on the bed here. Chloe's playing with my keyboard. I finished filming my MacBook review, so I'll edit it sometime in the future when I get a chance. And I'll probably leave my setup here just in case I want to film anything else. For now at least, and then I'll put it back together. I'm not sure if I'm going to be working from home at all next week yet, but now that I've finished my MacBook Pro review, I'm going to look at the footage quickly, and then I'm just going to take a look at my laptop, my previous one last time to see if I have forgotten anything, and then if I haven't and everything's good, I will be erasing it and then packing it up for it to go back to Apple or for the trade-in thing. The beau is actually on call today and for the next, I think he said 3 weeks, so probably up until Christmas, if not the week after. And we just lost power because it's raining, and apparently if it rains too hard, you lose power. I think it's just because it's super windy and I'm so congested, if you can tell. And Chloe is asking for milk. She loves her milk. Don't you? Good.
It's so windy, right?
Chloe and I went outside for a little bit and it's very windy today. The beau is watching Chloe right now because I'm trying to get my MacBook ready so that I can pack it up for the trade-in. I am currently just trying to reinstall the operating system, which I've had to try to do twice now. That's one thing that has always been super annoying with the MacBooks. It's so hard to erase your content if you're planning on selling it or giving it to someone, or even if you just want to start fresh. It's such a process to erase everything and reinstall everything, so that's annoying. With the new Apple Silicon though, it's very much like an iPhone where there's going to be a setting that you can just erase all of the content. Super easy. This process on the older MacBooks is just so annoying. In the meantime, while we wait, I thought I would do my little haul from when we were at the mall for our Santa photos. I did go to Lululemon because I wanted to pick this up, which is, it's called the Logo Coin Pouch. I'm not sure if I'll keep this. I wanted to get it because I wanted to have like a quick, easy pouch that I could just, for my like work tote or my backpack or something like that, to put some keys and just some like things that I might need to access quickly. And then I was thinking something that I could easily detach if I needed to like move it to another bag or something. Now that I'm trying to use it, I don't know. I think I might keep it. It's a little bit harder to get on and off than I thought. I think I have my system down now, but it's just not as easy as I envisioned to take on and off an item or a bag. I mean, I do like the shape and the size and how I'm envisioning it, but I'm just not sure how feasible that will be. I'm so congested. My nose is starting to feel very raw, and I've had to blow my nose at least 3 times in the last 2 minutes. Also, MacBook update. It has finally started installing the operating system, and we are at 11 minutes remaining. So Sephora haul, I got 3 things. I think I also have a couple things that I ordered online. I can't remember if I actually made that late night purchase, so we'll find out in a couple weeks. I did get another glow screen because I'm almost out of my glow screen. I actually quite like this, especially in the winter time. This is the only thing that I've been putting on as sunscreen. I also got the Olaplex number 3. As you know, I did pick up the shampoo, conditioner, and then the purple shampoo. And apparently this is amazing. It's supposed to be used before shampooing, not conditioner, because it's a bond builder and you're only supposed to use it once per week. So because I have put color in my hair, I just kind of want to prevent as much future damage as I can, I guess. So yeah, I thought I would pick this up and add it to my whole hair care system. And then the last thing I got was a cleansing balm. So for the last, I want to say year-ish, I was mainly using the Milky Jelly cleanser because I wasn't wearing a lot of makeup, so I found that I could just double cleanse with that. But now that I am wearing a little bit more makeup, I just need that that like more, I guess, heavy duty cleanser before the milky jelly cleanser to actually strip my makeup, and then I use a jelly cleanser from Glossier to actually clean my skin. I haven't tried this particular cleansing balm before, but it's from Belief, and it's the Aqua Bomb Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. And I am excited. I really like the texture. Again, I was kind of waffling between a balm versus an oil, and I happen to really like the texture of cleansing balms, so I went with a balm. So hopefully this is nice, and if it is, maybe it's the one I repurchase in the future. I don't know why I even tried to smell that because I'm so congested I actually can't smell anything. But it does come with a little scoop, so that's nice. Okay, I am going to make dinner. We're having HelloFresh, one of the HelloFresh meals. I'll show you guys which one. Okay, this is what we're having for dinner. Southern spiced chicken with mashed potatoes and garlicky beans. Okay, my MacBook is ready to be returned. So I did erase the whole entire drive, and I did also include the charging brick and the USB-C cable. I don't remember if it's sent to on the online estimate, but the instructions showed including the charging cable, so I just included it. I already have like a couple other charging bricks anyway, plus the new one that I got with my new MacBook, so I don't really need it. And then yeah, so I'm gonna drop it off at UPS. I think they're closed tomorrow, so it'll probably be Monday. I am going to call it a night because I am tired, I am still congested, and I'm thinking I might have a bath because I feel like that will make me feel a little bit better. So before I end the vlog, I'm going to open today's advent calendar. Okay, we're on day 13. Oh, this is a pretty big one. Oh, I think it's is it a notepad or a card of some sort? Wow, these little adhesives are strong. This angle is never flattering, huh? But I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, so it's not a notepad. I think it's just like a little note card. Oh, I kind of dented it a little bit. But yeah, it's essentially just a little note card, and it has fun, what are these, daisies? I'm not sure what note I'm gonna put on here, but yeah, that's cute. I kind of wish it was a notepad. So that is it for today's vlog. I am tired. I am going to take that bath, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.